Stellantis is preparing one of its biggest product launches of the decade, and Jeep appears to be getting an all-new flagship sport utility vehicle designed for a global audience. Scheduled to arrive before 2030, the new model is being developed in partnership with Chinese automaker Dongfeng and could eventually replace the aging Grand Wagoneer as the brand's top offering. Although Jeep has only released a single teaser image, it reveals several interesting styling details. The front end features an ultra-slim, daytime running light stretching across the nose above the traditional 7-slot grille. The primary headlights are positioned lower in the front bumper, creating a modern split light design that has become increasingly popular among premium sport utility vehicles. The body also looks much more squared off than many current crossovers. Pronounced wheel arches, wide rear doors, and thick C-pillars suggest the new model will offer 3 rows of seating with plenty of passenger space. Even from the limited preview, the vehicle carries a rugged appearance that remains true to Jeep's off-road heritage, while introducing a more futuristic look. Since the rear of the vehicle has not been shown, renderings imagine a full-width light bar similar to the current Grand Wagoneer. Large 6-spoke wheels and clean body surfaces further hint that Jeep is targeting buyers looking for both luxury and capability. Underneath, the new flagship is expected to ride on a platform jointly developed with Dongfeng. Instead of relying solely on a traditional gasoline engine, reports indicate the vehicle will use a plug-in hybrid system. That combination should deliver improved efficiency while preserving the performance expected from Jeep's largest models. Off-road capability is also expected to remain a priority. Jeep has built its reputation on adventure, and this upcoming flagship is likely to continue that tradition while embracing the latest electrified technology. If the final production model stays close to the teaser image, it could become one of Jeep's most significant launches in years.